The QF-106 drone stands as one of the most fascinating transformations in military aviation history, representing the evolution of an iconic interceptor into a highly capable aerial target drone. Originally developed as the Convair F-106 Delta Dart, this aircraft was among the most advanced jet interceptors of the Cold War era. Designed for speed, altitude, and precision, the F-106 once served as the backbone of the U.S. Air Force's air defense system. However, as technology advanced and newer aircraft replaced it, many of these legendary fighters were given a second life as QF-106 drones, unmanned aerial targets used for testing next-generation air-to-air and surface-to-air missile systems. The conversion from F-106 to QF-106 began in the late 1980s when the U.S. Air Force needed a high-performance platform that could realistically simulate enemy aircraft during weapons testing. The modified QF-106s retained the aircraft's powerful Pratt & Whitney J75 turbojet engine, allowing them to reach speeds of up to Mach 2.3 and altitudes exceeding 50,000 feet. This made them ideal for testing modern missile systems like the AIM-120 AMRAAM and various ground-based interceptors. The drone's conversion process included the installation of advanced radio control systems, telemetry units, and automatic flight termination systems to ensure safe operations during remote missions. One of the key reasons the QF-106 program was so successful was its ability to perform both unmanned and manned missions. Pilots could still fly the aircraft for ferry operations or pre-flight testing before switching it into full remote control for live-fire exercises. This dual capability not only made the program more flexible but also more cost-effective. The aircraft's delta wing design and exceptional handling characteristics allowed it to simulate a wide range of potential adversary aircraft, giving U.S. pilots and weapons developers a highly realistic training and testing environment. The QF-106 drones served with distinction throughout the 1990s and into the early 2000s, primarily under the management of the 82nd Aerial Targets Squadron based at Tyndall Air Force Base in Florida. Each mission contributed valuable data to the development and evaluation of modern air defense systems. Even though many of these drones were ultimately destroyed during live-fire testing, a few surviving examples were preserved in museums, paying tribute to their remarkable legacy. The QF-106 program was eventually succeeded by the QF-4 Phantom II and later the QF-16 Fighting Falcon, each building upon the foundation set by the Delta Dart drones. Yet, the QF-106 remains a symbol of adaptability and ingenuity, an aircraft that evolved from a top-tier interceptor into a vital tool for the future of air combat. Its story reflects the Air Force's ability to extract maximum value from aging platforms while simultaneously advancing aerospace technology. The QF-106 drone not only extended the life of a Cold War legend but also helped shape the weapons and tactics of a new generation of